Okay, here we go. So you save the fat guy. Or spinning it. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. An hour. And get up to the top. Cannot possibly make that. Oh dear. Yeah, we can't make that jump. Ah, rotate it more. I'm gonna press the stupid button. Get. No, no. Oh, okay. That's okay. I now need to touch the mushroom. Come on, you can do it. Oh, okay. Oh dear, it seems we're stuck now. Um, oh that's bad. Damn it. Oh, I've got myself stuck. I'm gonna restart the level. Yeah. Gonna throw him up there. Now I can get the tall guy to press the mushroom, because I'm not such an idiot. Yeah. This rate is only like 7 parts on this stupid game. I don't know how many more levels there are. It's like heaps of levels. Okay, here we go. Throw him up to this ladder thing. Oh, okay. Oh, is that like my only chance? Oh, just an extra chance. So you put him there. Fire this. He jumps the spider. Yes, he's going up. Okay. Now, or do I need to get? Oh, that guy's gonna get away. Maybe I could like throw food at him and then he'll do the same as the last guy. Oh, so he's like terrified of it. Then that's good, I guess. Anyway, help! Oh, big. What? Oh, I want me to make a weird stick figure thing. Oh, so I need to get that stick. Oh, damn. Ah! Okay, so I have to jump it. Come on, Nick, you idiot. The tall guy's really annoying. He always falls off everything. He almost fell off there again. Oh, oh, okay. These guys like get terrified of everything. You know, should I end the level here? Nah, well, keep on going. I'll just do a few more levels. Oh, he's getting crushed. Why doesn't that kill them? I don't know why that was important, but okay. I need to get to this rotator. You need to be close to use it annoyingly. And then once you've used it once, you can use it forever. Is it? I hate these rotating things. They're really annoying. This could take a while. Oh, how did they fail to jump? You see this tall guy, he always stuffs up at everything. He's like a failure. And I still like him the most. He's the best. Make it. Oh, yes. Now the little guy's stuck. My God. Walk. Walk. Yes. Okay. So now what are we doing this time? Oh, another. Oh. Is that meant to be like a dog or something? No, you stupid idiot. Why does the tall guy always fall down? Oh, that level's over. Oh yeah, I'll just do this one and then I'll give up. Okay. Can we get out of this one? We're stuck here. Ah, now the stupid tall guy got stuck again because of course he did. Give us stupid bear fruit. Don't want me. Oh no. Well, first one like eat me. And apparently they're terrified of fruit. Oh look, he's terrified now. Now what? Oh, I can stand on the windmill. Okay. Oh, I should be able to do this now. Doesn't look too hard. Yeah, after this level, I'll just give up. And I'll have to make another part. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, another video's uploaded. And jump. Yeah, oh. A small guy. I give up. That's just no.